Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. While you are watching this video, I am in my vacation. So in this video I am going to show you how to convert ideas or how to make different designs from a single idea. So for this one I am thinking of making a t-shirt design for dad or fathers. So after some research I found that fishing and hunting are the two most popular hobbies of men. So I am about to convert these two into my design, or I am going to show you how to make designs from one idea to another, convert that to another idea. So for this one here I am going to use a bolder looking font. Yeah, this is good. So here my focus will be on this dad text. So for this one, first of all I am going to make a fishing t-shirt design. So okay, so I can use this one right here, or I can make this text to fishing dad. Now I think this will work better. So let's break them. I am just aligning them. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so this is my whole design. This is the design I am going to use. Now I need to do some adjustment, like this one here. I want this D to be united like this, and then make that like that. Make the A also in one shape. Okay, so for fishing t-shirt design I need to use some fishing elements. So I manage some vector. These are for fishing, these are for huntings. You know how to get them, I have shown you many times. So for this design here, for this dad text, I am going to just use this kind of graphics in my design, just like this. Okay, maybe bring them in center. Okay, if I select this one, or I can cut this one, send to back. If I select this one and make it a compound path, these all little shapes will be single shape now. Then I can use my minus front tool here, or easily I can just cut it, use my transparency tool, and then paste it here. So as I have pasted this in here, okay, so this text is okay. Let's do it in another way. Just make this that it is in font. Now it has no, as I made a compound path, it has no fill, so I have to make it fill in black. Now you can see, as this is in the transparency panel, it is looking cut out. Now that one is done. I just want to use this one, maybe something like this. Okay, for this one I want these areas to be outside of my, to stay outside of my design. So I have to make a copy, and if I select this D here and paste it in front, okay, as this is now cut out, but I have this in the background, so that is showing like that. Okay, it's being complicated, don't worry, just make it inside the text. I'm going to make it a quick video, something like this. Now cut it, select this, paste in front. Okay, so what I am doing here is I am using some related graphics with the text here. So if I take this one here, cut this one, paste in here. Now you can see we have made a design on fishing, and if anyone is a dad and loves fishing, then this design will attract him. We can make a lot of changes here or make this even more eye-catching or beautiful, but I just want to share the process here, the idea here, so I am not going to spend too much time for this one. So this was for fishing. If I take this one here and change it to hunting, I don't know what is happening here. Yeah, this is good. Now for this one here, okay, so this text is not break, that's why they are not aligning together. It's okay. Now they are perfectly aligned together. Same here for this one too. Now if I change the fishing design with hunting design here, I can just simply use these elements here. Like this one is a pig face, a deer face. I'm just going to use them. And a gun. Okay, not, maybe not the gun. Gun is not good. Yeah, this is good. Cut this one. Just okay. Do them. This one here. Okay, this is good. So if I just make offset path here, as I want this deer horns to be outside of my design, cut it. Yeah, this is good. But if I am keeping this one like this, then I should keep this boar also in the same style. So I am not going to use that style. Make it smaller, not like that. Yeah, this is good. Cut it, paste it here, and this dark one here. Okay, so if someone likes to go hunting, then obviously he takes a gun with him, so I should use that gun, something like this, maybe. Okay, I found an idea. Let's just make it straight a bit. Something like this will work for me. Now cut this one, and if we replace the eye with this gun, maybe something like this. Okay, so this is how we can replace a design idea with many different designs. Now if you want to use a like firefighter dad, then you can use some firefighting elements here between this text. If you want to use a mechanic dad or a biker dad, anything, you can just replace them with the elements here, and that is how you will get some new ideas and new designs very easily. So here I wanted to show you some other options of designs like this one here. If I want to use this flag in my design, something like this, I can use them too. Just I need to, okay, so if I take this text here like proud fishing dad, let's just break them. Okay, so I am going to, first of all I am going to make this black. Now if I take this one, just something like this, sorry for this. Okay, so this is good for me. Now I just want to replace these stripes with my fishing rods here, something like this. But for the flag I needed this start options, so I will not erase them. I am just erasing these parts from here. Okay, that's not a problem. Just place them like this. Maybe reflect them so that I can put them closer to my text, something like this. Okay, this will work for me. Now I can use this rod also, just copy it. Here is that one. Okay, this 2 is okay there. Now I am just going to put it something like this. I need to align them together. Yeah, that is good. Now I can even use this one here, but in a smaller size, as these two looks good together. Yeah, something like this. And for these areas I can use some kind of this hook type tools. Maybe this one there, and then okay. So guys, this was another idea. You can just replace these elements, and if anyone who loves fishing and also loves his country will be attracted by this design. This is a great one, as people like designs with flags. This is a okay. So for this one here also, we just make a fishing flag style design, but we can replace them with hunting elements. Like you can put that deer head duck head there, and then replace this with kind of rifles they used to use in fishing, or kind of bullets here, anything you want. Just I just wanted to share this idea. So I hope this one will help you to understand how to convert designs, or how to make a single design in multiple ways. Okay guys, this will be all for today. I hope you are enjoying. If you are enjoying my video, stay with me and have a great time. Thank you everyone.